Hello Curies, I'm here Tanisha Devangan and I'm going to tell you like what was my CUET experience and what I have done mistakes in my CUET, what I have done mistakes in my we can say paper writing time so that you could not repeat it and you can get more than what I get. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce myself. I am from DRC. Yes, I got DRC, and it is a really beautiful and cozy college. And let me say, like, what God has planned for you is literally the best. So don't reject whatever you get, but at the same time, do your best so that you can get your best. Okay, so let me start that how I have started my class 11th and 12th. So to be really honest, I was the most studious person in our class. Okay, and I was the one who always used to get the rank 1 in my class. So when I completed my class 11th, I of course stopped, and after that I have the two things: either I can do CA and I can do CUET, or I can do both. So I have planned for doing both things, which means boards, CUET, and along with that CA. So ultimately what happens is that first one on my class that I was the really studious person. Okay, so I was not the person like who used to play a lot, who used to do other activities a lot. I was an academic achiever, and I just really wanted, because I was clear, either I am going to do CA, I'm going to do CUET, or I'm going to do CUET along with my boards, or I can do both if I will be able to do so. So then when I started my class 12th, so it was along the 11th that from September to December I have completed my CA foundation whole syllabus twice. Yes, twice. And that was the funniest thing, that even I was not giving examination, but when I'm not so close to examination, why I am learning this so much, like you can't even guess what was running on my mind at that time. But yeah, I have just done these types of things. Okay, now my class 12 started, and I had completed my class 12 syllabus till you can say June or July. Okay, starting of the session, then I was thinking like that, let me revise it 2 to 3 times so that I can do better. It was around June, and around June July I've got the information about election, but I was sure that I'm not going to participate in it because I want to study, and whatever the way, I just want to go with myself. But at that point of time, principal of my school came to me and she said, Tanisha, why you are not participating? Like, it is the election, it is not any kind of nepotism that we are putting one student forward, so why you are not showing that you can do the things, administrative things? So whatever, she convinced me, and I just participated in the election. But at that point of time, I just got what all my classmates think about me. Like there was not even a single person who was with me at point of time when I was introducing in the class, and when I was explaining in the class, whatever. So at that point of time, I felt really bad, because I was like, in the whole class there was nobody. uh, yeah, so whatever, the result came of election, and I've got more, like I've got the position of head girl. Okay, because I don't know why, because maybe because I have really presented myself good. Okay, so yeah, at that point of time, I've think like I thought this is amazing. Okay, so because nobody was supporting me at that point of time, at the end I just really appreciate that I have participated, because it has so much memories with me. So becoming a head girl was not at all a easy task, because when I have got into the position, I've received, okay, I have to manage a lot of things. There are critics also who used to say that you have got head girl position because your name was on the top of the list, and whatever they were saying. But I don't think so. You know, I have won the hearts of students with a lot of votes. I have got a lot more votes than any other candidate. So like, I'm truly speaking, I don't even think so I have done it by my own. Okay, sorry. So yeah, becoming head girl was not an easy task, because apart from these all things, I've also got a letter of proposal. Oh my god, I hope so my parents are not seeing this video. Okay, so yeah, I got a letter of proposal. I have just done what was that thing, like that again forced me to recalculate whether I want to pursue or not this type of position with these types of things particularly. So yeah, my August and September, I've my mind was stuck that I don't want to do this, I'm going to resign. But at that point of time, my teacher said that no, Tanisha, you have to continue these, because these are the things that you will face again and again in your work life and work experience, even if you are doing any kind of business or any kind of job. So she was right at one point of time, and I accepted and I persisted on my head girl position. After becoming head girl, I've done a lot of things. A lot means a lot. Like, we have we have managed to do a lot of things together. I have understood how the team works. Okay, we have such people who used to fight a lot with each other, but at the same point of time, they take care of each other. So that was the most beautiful memory that I have of my class 12th. It was such a nice, we can say, story I can write, and I can make a film upon it. Okay, so after doing all this, September and October, I've just done my studies further. September, October, November, I have literally done my whole studies. But after December, I've got so tired, like I'm not even sleeping for 3 hours a day. I was not even sleeping. I was just in at the time of nap, I was always, I don't want to sleep, I don't want to sleep. Like, these point of time things I used to murmur while I was going to sleep, because I was thinking like that I don't want to lose in CUET. I want like SRCC. These was my dream at that point of time. So yeah, I don't want to lose, I have to do this, I will solve 4 to 5 books, but I just don't want to lose. So these types of things. Okay, I was like with this such kind of pressure at that point of time. I just really felt bad. I think that at that point of time, if I have slept, it was a good point. Okay, I was the person, and I used to solve MCQs and my bus also. So these all head girls and head boy things I've done till then. Now at the time of my boards, okay, the thing that I was neglecting my health, I was neglecting my sleeping, sleeping, and at that point of time I was like, ठीक है यार, हो गया जो होना था, अभी मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करना है. ठीक है, मैंने अपना इंग्लिश चैनल स्टार्ट किया था, बिकॉज येस यूईट इज़ गोइंग टू आस्क फॉर इंग्लिश. एंड येस, मेरे को ऐसा था कि मुझे इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छे से सीखना है यार, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश. सो आई यूज टू डू अ लॉट एंड लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. एट फर्स्ट आई यूज टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स, बट नाउ आई एम अ बिट फ्लुएंट, I think so. Okay, so after those things, I've just completely fed up, because my marks are not increasing. Okay, I am putting all my efforts, but my marks are not increasing. At that point of time, I was blank, because I used to forget small things, because I was not sleeping at that point of time. Small mistakes that I'm doing in my real life also. So my learning is that you have to prioritize your health and sleeping too, along with your studies. Whatever you are doing, how much big the examination is, you have to give yourself good sleep amount and good adequate healthy food, so that you can able to survive till last. Okay, because these are the competitions, and if you want to do the best, you have to manage all the perspectives. You just don't really need to study only. Okay, so don't do these mistakes. Okay, I have done it. What happened? Okay, I gave my board examination. At that point of time, I got chicken pox. Yes, chicken pox, literally. I've got such a good patches on my face and on my shoulders that I can't even stand in front of anybody. I'm just feeling so bad, so flatty, so weak at that point of time. Like, I'm seeing my whole whole 1 year in front of me, that I have practiced a lot. I have solved TS Grewal 3 times. 3 times. How could anybody solve 3 times? Yeah, but yes. So after this, I've just made like, I was not feeling good, and my health was down. My mind is skipping small things. I was just in a way of hurry that yeah, time bahut kam hai. What you are doing, Tanisha? You can't make me this much sick that I can't even attend my examinations that are coming forward. So यस सो लाइक मैंने जो भी किया था बहुत ही अच्छे से रख के किया था, मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से प्लान करके किया था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेट इनफ आई डोंट नो मेरी किस्मत या मेरी जो भी बोलो, जो तुम जो भी बोलो यार, वो पूरी बेकार हो गई जस्ट बिकॉज पूरी मेरी हेल्थ डाउन थी. आई गॉट चिकन पॉक्स, आई गॉट फीवर, एंड येस इन दैट हेल्यूसिनेशन आई हैव गिवन माई बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. I know it feels really sorry. Now at that point of time, I literally used to cry whole day, whole day. I used to cry at night that what I have done with myself. I have to take care of myself. I can give my best in my boards. I can give my best in my CUET. But God has plans for us. He did whatever with me. I think he had a point. He had a plan for this with me. So yes. After it, yeah, I literally cried because I have practiced a lot. There is nothing that I have not done. Yes, I was in the head girl position, and it was around December, I think. So I received Student of the Year award too. Shivom Ratna award that only 2 persons have got in our whole school. One is me and one was any other kind of bhaiya. I don't know his name, but yes, this one thing pushes me so hard that how I can do this wrong with myself. Like, I can't blame it to myself only. This was the thing. Means yeah, I can't even really say that my whole life, my whole college life depends upon these 2 to 3 months. And what am I doing? Like, my body is so weak that I couldn't even attend the exams. But I have gone for the exams. I have given my examination as much as I could. I have done it. Okay, and I've got a good percentage. Like, I can't say it's good percentage for me. I don't want to crash my studies. Okay, I don't want to feel bad. I don't want to take a drop. It really feels bad, yeah, if you have prepared for it and you can't able to give it like best. You can't able to give it best. But it really feels bad. I have a dream of getting good marks. I of course I've got. I can't say that I've not got, but yeah, I can do better if I've not done such kind of regretful things, like not even sleeping and not even taking care of myself. Okay, so CUET came. There was 1 month left. Okay, 1 month left, which means 40 days are left. Whatever MCQs that I started preparing for that. What really happens with me, the MCQs that I have bought for practicing for CUET, the person, although I will not take the name of the company because their reputation will get smashed if I will say their name, but they have really done bad with me. They just really, like, they logged out me from the package that I have purchased for CUET, and this was the worst thing that I faced. I was having no time. I can't do anything. They were not even in contact of me. They were not even responding what I was speaking. When you have purchased MCQs and you are not even getting it, how will you feel? So I've just bought what other my seniors are suggesting, like Kiran book. I've solved the whole Kiran book. It was really not needed. I have done Malvian whole MCQs. After that, like, it really feels bad, yeah. I was just continuing it topic wise at that point of time, and you are just logging out a student who have one exam near her, and she is facing so much troubles with her studies, and you are putting burden on her by just not giving what she deserves. Like, I have purchased, so they should have to give me. So after that, I have again cried. I can't do anything, yaar. I literally, what I can do, I cried for whole day. It was like मेरा दिन का 6 घंटा रोने पे ही जाता था. ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है यार, मेरे साथ उस टाइम हो ही ऐसा रहा था कि बस मैं गिव अप करना चाह रही थी. मेरे को नहीं देना था CUET भी. मैंने बोल दिया था कि दीदी मुझे नहीं देना CUET, क्योंकि मैं, भगवान चाहते कि मैं बस दूँ ही ना, कुछ करूँ ही ना, मतलब मेरे को बस ड्रॉप ही लेवाना चाहते. ऐसा टाइप से मेरा हो गया था. बट माई दीदी परसिस्टेड मी एंड शी सेड कि क्या कर रही है, पागल है क्या, दे CUET दे, एटलीस्ट दे उसको. ठीक है. सो मैं CA फाउंडेशन नहीं दे पाई थी क्योंकि इतना ट्रॉमा होने के बाद मेरा इमोशनल पूरा ख़राब हो गया था. एंड अब देखो, CUET तो मैंने दे दिया था, बची रही बात CA फाउंडेशन की. सो अब मेरे पास क्या क्या था मैं बता रही हूँ। फीवर था, मुझे चिकन पॉक्स था, मुझे लाइक मेरा मेंटल इमोशनल हेल्थ डाउन था। ऑफ कोर्स यार सिर्फ हेल्थ ही नहीं होता, आपका ईक्यू भी स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, तो वो भी डाउन था। मैंने जो रजिस्ट्रेशन था सीए का वो भी टाइम पे नहीं करवा, मतलब मैंने टाइम पे किया था, बट वो जो बात होती है ना कि पैसा चले गया है बट रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं हुआ है, वो वाली बात हो गई थी मेरे साथ। येस, एंड आफ्टर नोइंग दैट कि यार मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है, लाइक आफ्टर नोइंग इवन दैट कि मेरा जो सीए फाउंडेशन का मैंने पेपर मेरे को देना है, उसमें भी मुझे मेरा रजिस्ट्रेशन ही नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि वो पेमेंट वाले की गलती है कि वो 9,000 नहीं पहुंचाया। तो दैट वॉज द वर्स्ट थिंग दैट हिटेड मी हार्ड, यू नो, क्योंकि भाई तुम 11 से प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो एंड यू आर नॉट इवन गिविंग दैट एग्जाम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू दो थिंग। मतलब यार ऑफकोर्स मैं सब चीज़ में हार चुकी थी अपनी तरफ से, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं था कि मैं बोल सकूँ यार कि मैंने इतना मेहनत किया है, बट देन रिजल्ट किसी को नहीं दिखा सकती थी। ऑफकोर्स मैं क्राई कर रही हूँ फिर से। ओके, वट एवर एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई रियली फील बैड बिकॉज ओके ठीक है, थिंग्स आर नॉट इवन गोइंग वट आई हैव प्लान्ड। मेरा CUET भी मतलब मैंने दिया था एंड मेरे CUET के 2 दिन पहले ही बोर्ड्स का रिजल्ट आया था एंड बोर्ड का रिजल्ट वॉज नॉट दैट वट आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग। सो मैंने मेरा मेंटल हेल्थ और डाउन हो गया था बिकॉज यू हैव प्रिपेयर, या सो दैट वॉज माई स्टोरी। उसके बाद जैसे ही तुम्हारे पास 2 दिन पहले आता है कि तुम 2 दिन पहले आते हैं तुम्हारे पास रिजल्ट कि तुमने ऐसा परफॉर्म किया है, एंड आफ्टर वन डे मेरे पास है कि मैं जाऊँ और मैं CUET दूँ, तो मेरे पास उतना मेंटल कैपेसिटी नहीं थी। ऑफकोर्स आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ लॉट फॉर CUET टू, मैं नहीं बोलूँगी कि मैंने बिल्कुल प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था या आई हैड डन इट इन 1 मंथ, पर मेरे आखिरी के 1 मंथ इतने ख़राब जा रहे थे, इतने ख़राब जा रहे थे क्योंकि सारी चीज़ें यार बिगड़ चुकी थी। आई कॉन्ग्रेट्स टू दोज जिनका लगा इस साल, बट यार मेरी किस्मत बोलो या कुछ भी बोलो, थिंग्स आई हैव एक्सेप्टेड इट। ठीक है, मैं पहले तो मेरे को अराउंड 1 to 2 months लगे कि मुझे ये एक्सेप्ट करने में कि ऑफकोर्स कि मेरे कम हुए हैं, इस बार के परफॉर्मेंस मेरा कम हुआ है इस बार। द चार्ट दैट आई हैव मेंटेनिंग सिंस माई चाइल्डहुड फॉर दिस शोड मी अ डाउनफॉल एट माई मोस्ट क्रूशियल पॉइंट ऑफ माई लाइफ। सो ठीक है यार, मैंने बोला कि ठीक है जो भी आएगा मैं उसको सेलेक्ट कर दूंगी। सो आफ्टर CSAS पोर्टल हुआ, ओपन हुआ, ठीक है, मैंने प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट में भी गलती कर दी थी। ठीक है, मैंने BA कंप्यूटर प्लस इकोनॉमिक्स लेडी श्री राम को ऊपर रख दिया था एंड मैंने DRC दौलत मेरे को नहीं पता था, ट्रूली स्पीकिंग आई वॉज नॉट इवन इन माई दैट वॉज नॉट इवन इन माई माइंड। मैंने जो देना था दे दिया बस, ठीक है, मैंने डाला। नाउ आफ्टर कंसल्टिंग विद लॉट्स ऑफ माई सीनियर्स जो कि वहाँ जाके पहुँच चुके हैं, सो दे सेड मी यार तुम्हें कोर्स को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस देना चाहिए। ऑफकोर्स मैं कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से आती हूँ तो मुझे मन था कि मैं भी ऑनर्स करूँ। सो दे सेड मी कि तुमको कोर्स को ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस देना चाहिए, यू विल नॉर्थ कैंप, यू विल गेट गर्ल्स कॉलेज, यू विल गेट पॉइंट ऑफ सेफ्टी। तो मैंने जल्दी से जल्दी, देखो जो भी बात हुई, देखो यार मेरे को जो मिला मैं अब उसको एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ। चीज़ें फिर से नहीं हो सकती, चीज़ें दोबारा रिपीट नहीं हो सकती, या मैंने पूछा भी कि मैं 1 साल ड्रॉप ले लूँ क्या, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू द SRCC, क्योंकि यार क्रेज होता है, सभी का क्रेज होता है, एंड ऑफकोर्स आई हैव एंड आई वॉज डिजर्विंग। मतलब ऑफकोर्स मैं मानती हूँ, कोई और माने ना माने, ओके, सो जो भी है एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि यार ठीक है जो गया है ना, ठीक गया है, अब जो मिल रहा है ना उसको, जो मिल रहा है ना, अब मैंने उसको फ्रीज कर दिया यार, मैंने फ्रीज कर दिया बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू डू BA। ठीक है, पर्सनली स्पीकिंग मैं कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से आती हूँ, आई वांट टू गो फॉर द कॉमर्स, तो मैंने वहाँ पर लगा दिया। एंड एट लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ डे जब एक्सेप्ट करने का आता है उसमें फीस भरना था। अब मेरे पापा जो थे उन्होंने फीस भरा एट द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे, बस 2-3 घंटे ही बाकी थे, मैं पूरा रो चुकी थी कि पापा भर देना बिकॉज एंड मेरे पापा ने भी इसीलिए एक्सेप्ट किया बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो गर्ल्स कॉलेज है, ठीक है, आई वांट नॉर्थ कैंपस, तो मेरी तरफ से वो नॉर्थ कैंपस है, ठीक है, वुमेंस कॉलेज है, एंड हॉस्टल का भी मैंने उसमें रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा दिया था उस पॉइंट। तो मुझे लगा यार कि जो हो रहा है ठीक हो रहा है, अब मैं ऐसी नहीं थी कि फोर्स करूँ अपने आप को, अब मैं एक्सेप्ट कर चुकी हूँ, मेरे साथ अब मेरे सारे ट्रॉमास में डोंट इवन एक्सपेक्टेड कि जो भी मिला यार, अब मेरे को कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए। अब मेरे सामने ये था कि क्या मुझे दिल्ली जाने मिलेगा, बिकॉज ये कंसर्न था मेरे पेरेंट्स से। अब मैं बात करती हूँ तो माई मॉम वॉज लाइक कि गो बेब्स गो, वी हैवंट गॉट सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, एटलीस्ट यू आर गेटिंग, यू शुड गो। एंड माई फादर, आई हैव टू रियली स्पीक टू माई फादर कि मैं जाना चाहती हूँ यार, कि मुझे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी से करना है। ऑफकोर्स इट्स नॉट माई फेवरेट वन, बट इट्स नॉट द वन दैट आई विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट, ओके। आई कॉन्ग्रेट्स यार जिनका लगा इस साल. आई नो कि आई नो कि दैट वॉज द थिंग कि चीज़ें अब फिर से नहीं आएंगी, बट the thing and the I have learned a lot. Even I have not got, I have learned a lot, and I will move on definitely. So hopeful guys, you will get a good a good story and a good lesson from my stories. Maybe I know that I know that I can't even say a word because who I am, yeah, who I am to say. But I hope so you enjoyed this video. I hope so that you like the things. I hope so you love my studies and my upcoming videos. So be stay tuned and bye.